RinseWorks patented Aquaus 360 Diaper Sprayer by RinseWorks is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper sprayers products. B01D8006QWMAKE sure this fits. By entering your model number. Please watch the Aquaus 360 video in the product pictures to learn why the Aquaus 360 Diaper Sprayer is the perfect solution to easily rinse messy cloth diapers, bedpans, potty seat bowls, undergarments, food bags, muddy shoes and many more of life's messy moments. Includes patented ABS polymer sprayer, brass T-connector and ball valve, 54-inch stainless steel hose, 2 ABS spray heads, 5 inches extension, spray plate removal tool, tank clip and sprayer holder. Made in the USA with domestic and global components. NSF certified to UPC, Uniform Plumbing Code, for legal installation in the USA and Canada, includes 2 CSA NSF certified plumbing code required backflow preventers. Easy thumb pressure controls allow you to easily adjust the spray pressure as you rinse messy cloth diapers, preventing splattering and overspray. Pressure can also be set to any level while rinsing, making the sprayer very comfortable to hold and maneuver. NSF certified Stay-Flex stainless steel 54 inches long high-pressure hose with solid brass hose nuts, and double crimps on both ends, stays totally flexible during use. NSF certified brass as reach shut-off valve and T-connector with hand-typed 7/8 inches hand grip nut, easily attaches to toilet without tools or a plumber, includes all parts for easy installation. 3-year limited warranty.